If you're a marketing, customer or engagement professional, and if you're overwhelmed with keeping up with AI, digital platforms and changing customer needs, and if you're expected to meet customer acquisition and retention KPIs with limited and sometimes even declining resources, then I hear you. It can be difficult to prioritise when there's so much going on and everything feels important. Unfortunately, many customer programs fail to yield their intended results. In fact, a recent study by Customer Think found that 75% of organisations report their customer programs aren't performing. And what I've learned over 25 years in customer strategy and 15 years in customer innovation and growth is it's because we're overcomplicating things and we've forgotten what is most important, which is to know who our customers are, to know what they need, what's most important to them, and how they're experiencing our business. A customer program that delivers results doesn't need to be expensive or time-consuming. It's about asking the right questions and having the right tools in front of you and knowing how to use them. And it's available through the Think, Play, Act Customer Experience Innovation Masterclass On-demand program. This is the professional toolkit that has allowed me to serve clients and help them achieve growth for over 15 years. It offers a step-by-step guide to design and implement a customer growth program in 60 days. Through this masterclass, you will conduct your own customer interviews in order to gather unique insights into both current and prospective customers. You'll create customer personas and journey maps that will help you diagnose customer pain points and design improved customer experience. You'll craft a powerful customer value proposition and apply simple innovation tools to identify new customer markets and design innovative products that your customers are going to love. And I'll also show you how you can apply some simple tools and frameworks to prioritise initiatives and create a collaborative customer culture across your business. Each module includes webinar sessions that will guide you through the theory and each of the tools, together with case studies that will show you how you can use them successfully. There's reflection exercises and quizzes to help cement your learnings. Planning activities, including all of the tools and templates that allows you to build step by step from design to delivery of a full customer program. And each session comes with its own workbook with detailed explanations and how-to guides. Sign up for the masterclass today and in 60 days you'll progress from design to delivery and transform your business for growth. And if you sign up for the Customer Experience and Innovation Masterclass today, you'll receive a 30% discount.